So after removing the front bumper, we are using our first device, our cutting template. So you place the cutting template in the middle, right here. So it doesn't have to be exactly or 100% precise. You just use these stops here, place it round about in the middle, and do the first sketches. And don't forget the line in the middle. Don't forget to mark it. That's everything you need. To cut out this little window here and have the exact opening for our cold air intake. The next step is to place our set of cold air intake. The first one is this. As you can see, this area is exact the negative of the OEM intake. It fits perfectly right here, quite easy. And there is also enough space for the headlight if you assemble it. And the second one is this, where we have the opening now for, as you can see here. So, and simply snap it together. That's all. No screwing is required, and also in the next step there is no screw required. We see 3 holders here, 1, 2 and the one on this side, and we will just mark them to have the positions, drill with 10 millimeters and put some plastic clips in there, and it will be 100% safe and in position. Please be very careful with the second hole. Don't use too much force because the water cooler is right behind you. And the third and last one in this position. Oh, we are almost done. In your kit you will also find 3 of those 10mm plastic clips. You just put them inside and lock. Just inside and lock. Inside, lock. With a cold air intake system for the Supra 3 liter and 4-cylinder 2 liter.